Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight schedules on the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the flight status button down below, which is the fourth option. You can select from three options at the top, either by typing in the departure and destination points, or you can also search by the flight number or your followed flights. If you choose the route option, you should type in your destination and the departure point. Then you should select the date and click on the search button down below, and after that you will be able to check out the status of the flight. If you choose the flight number option, you should tap on the second button at the top of the screen, and after that type in the number and click on the search button after selecting the date, and here you can find the flights that you follow. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.